Aloha and good morning. Well, it's actually probably afternoon now. Let's see. Oh, still 10:29. And I'm already thinking about lunch. In Waikiki, there's a couple of things that I always have to have when I come here, and one of them is usually really hard to find. But if you go at 10:30 in the morning, the line is not very long. Oh, I forgot chopsticks, darn it. Anyway, this is marukami, udon, and tempura. This little hole-in-the-wall place, and they have the best udon noodles. If I'm saying that wrong, I apologize. Where is it? Darn it, I forgot everything. But anyway, today I got the curry. They had a spicy chicken on special, but I wasn't quite sure about it. I was listening to other people around me talk, and they said that they'd had it a few times and it wasn't that great. But I am ready to dig into this for lunch. Took a little walk around, and as always, super busy here, lots of people. If you are looking for good shopping and don't mind being crowded at the beach, Waikiki is definitely the place to come. But if you do come to Oahu, make sure that you rent a car or something and get out of Waikiki and experience what the island is actually all about, besides the shopping. And I did find a few things for the kids that I know that they're going to enjoy, that I always have to get when I come here. I found great coconut iced coffee and udon noodles. So everything there is made completely from scratch and fresh. So good. So if you're in Waikiki, this place is an absolute must. You might be able to say it better than I can, but marukami, udon, and tempura. Take me back to Alaska. Jimmy, what are you doing today? Because I so badly want to be with you. Can you hear that traffic? Can you hear the freeway? Can you hear those sirens? Bye-bye. Take this Alaskan back home.
Never sees me. Well, there goes one tire. This will be fun. First little mishap. And we get to use the torque.
Huh?
That's a doozy.
What? They loose?
No, too big.
You're kidding me. And I didn't give you any other...
You gotta be shitting me.
No, that's the original one. They should have given you... They didn't give you any other wheel nuts? Huh? You're joking.
No.
It must be. Did you check in all the tools? I mean, that would be ridiculous if they didn't. Fucking screw. There you go. Whew.
I got one?
Yeah. You're lucky. Shit. I didn't even break. Another one. One more to go. I think I made it without breaking a wrench. Oh shit. Okay, I broke something. I got to take. Can I take one of your other extensions? That one is.
Oh, okay.
The middle one, not the longer. The next size. I can give that back to him as well. Hang on, wait a minute. It's the right one. Yeah, it's okay.
Crisis averted. Spares on. Time to go. He's a hero for the day.
So this is how we end up. Shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle. My dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. Just drive. Just drive.
I've had 3 issues with the van so far. Number 1. See that? So Winnebago supplied us with this as our tire iron. It doesn't fit the tires. That's a problem. So we asked originally if it does fit the tires. It didn't fit the tires. Kind of an issue. So I'm gonna hit the hardware store tomorrow and replace that tire iron with one that fits. But I did have a flat today. That was not an easy fix. We got creative and we were able to replace the tire that went flat. Issue number 2 that I've identified with this van is the tailpipe. Notice how low it is? It used to be round. It's not round anymore. I've gone on 2 of the most difficult roads in the north. Not only the Dalton Highway, but we're going up to Tuktoyaktuk tomorrow. And that tailpipe has taken a beating. Issue number 3. This one is on Mercedes. So this seal does not seal all the way. I get full of dust. 2 issues with Winnebago, 1 issue with Mercedes. Hopefully I can get them fixed, but not cool. I'm not a complainer. Everything happens for a reason. It was a good drive. It's been a lot of fun. But for once, I have something negative to say about this Revel, which doesn't happen very often. Everything else I absolutely love. I've been off-grid non-stop, and it's been a good time. I mean, we go to beautiful places. It's just incredible out here, but these things could easily be rectified. There's no reason for these issues. So this is what it looks like to be midnight in Inuvik. The sun does not set at all. It's just incredibly amazing.
Got to keep back up the other side, get that?
So I had some lunch here at Tuk. It was pretty good. Did our photos, and now we're heading back to Nunavut. It's kind of chilly up here. It's like just above freezing, about 30 degrees. So, and rainy. Here we go.